Welcome to this video on the Sony GTK-XB7 restoration project. We are breathing new, custom-programmed life into a premium audio speaker. The challenge was significant. When the main logic board failed, a replacement was impossible to find. However, the power supply and drivers were still functional, so we engineered a ground-up reconstruction using accessible electronics. The new system architecture features an Arduino Nano as the central controller, a versatile playback console for Bluetooth and MP3 audio, and 3 buck converters to ensure power isolation. Handling the original 3-ohm drivers required a solution to prevent overheating. By wiring them in series, we achieved a stable 6-ohm load, allowing us to safely use a powerful TPA3116D2 amplifier chip. For the lighting, we implemented a microphone module to capture audio. Using custom code to analyze rhythm and tempo, we configured a dynamic light show that mimics the speaker's original party style. The control center has been fully remapped. The original hardware buttons are now integrated into the Arduino logic, providing seamless control with status LEDs to indicate active or standby modes. This table summarizes the technical specifications, including the Arduino-based logic, the updated audio output stage, and the isolated power delivery system. By bypassing obsolete proprietary systems, we transformed a dead speaker into a modern, custom audio station. This project demonstrates that with smart design, we can save premium hardware from the scrap pile.